Welcome to Clarien iBank. Enjoy the freedom to bank whenever you want, wherever you are, with 24/7 access from your desktop or on the go with Clarien iBank Mobile. In this video, we will highlight Clarien iBank Mobile travel tips. If you are currently traveling or will travel soon, please take a moment to ensure that your date and time setting on your mobile device or tablet is set to automatic. This will minimize authentication issues with transactions initiated while abroad. Adjusting your date and time setting for iOS. Select Settings, General, Date and Time. This automatically sets your date and time based on your time zone. If a message appears saying that updated time zone information is available, please restart your device. Adjusting your date and time setting for Android. Open the Clock app. Tap More, Settings. To pick your home time zone, tap Home Time Zone. To automatically update your time zone, tap Date and Time. Set time zone automatically. If you experience issues while traveling or need assistance with other matters, please call us on 441-296-6969, Monday through Friday, from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time. Thank you for choosing Clarien Bank.